Melissa's Produce, the sponsors of this segment and founder of the Long Life Era brand, Marla Letizia, known as Nanny Bubby when in the kitchen, is here to talk about high protein and high fiber recipes to help you live a long and healthy life, something we all want.
Yes, longevity is the most searched word on Google.
Is it really?
It is.
Well, you know what's going to be the second most searched thing? Is this brand new cookbook.
Yes, I'm so happy to be showing this to all of you. This has been 2.5 years.
Wow.
Of blood, sweat, and tears with my co-author, Dr. Jean. And it is something from our heart, which it is a curated culinary lifestyle volume. And we've wanted to really bring in richness of food, flavor, Dr. Jean's chemistry corners, longevity boosters, my art, and 340 pages, 140 recipes. It's gone on sale today. Pre-order 20% off.
Oh, I love it.
So longlifecookbook.com. And
okay.
what we're making today.
Yeah, what is this? What recipe do you have for us today?
I will tell you, Melissa did the foreword to our book, and this is about the GLP-1 what do you call it? Like revolution.
Oh, yes.
Is actually feeding into what the food sources are coming up with and serving these days. So meaning smaller portions, lots of fiber, and lots of protein. So we have these beans, kidney beans, high in fiber.
Okay.
The chickpeas, also high in fiber, beans and protein, and then these mixed bean medley. Now the thing about beans is that if you're going to make them, you need to soak them 24 hours in advance.
Okay.
You need to know you're doing it. If you don't soak them, then you get gas. That's the big joke, everybody, but it's the truth.
That's good to know.
Right? So good to know. So Melissa has come up with these already steamed, and
save the process.
Right, save the process.
No gas.
So it's amazing. Yes, no gas. So we're going to start with these kidney beans. Right in. I also put green beans in here because I had them and they were left over, and why not? Be inspirational and inventive when you're cooking. These are the pinto beans from the 6-bean medley. Okay, we're adding in parsley. We're adding in celery, artichoke hearts, capers, which I didn't uncover. You can uncover that for me.
By the way, how much protein do you think is in this dish right here?
Well, you know what? Beans have a lot more protein than you would actually think, and it's actually, I mean, I didn't check the how much, but I think there's several grams of it, especially with all of this that's coming in.
Well, I love how what I'm getting at is it's high in protein. There's no chicken inside. This is all just veggies right here.
Right.
Capers?
Yes, throw them in.
Boom.
There you go.
Perfect.
You're my best assistant.
And then what are we looking at here on the screen right now?
This is, thank you for telling me this. This is an example of Dr. Jean's Longevity Booster. You can see all of the things that are in this recipe. This recipe is in the book that are good for your vision, your brain, your heart.
Oh my gosh, yes,
and
everything.
And also, if you look at her chemistry corner, her chemistry corner was on kidney beans.
Okay,
so we've got
about 30 seconds here.
Yes, okay, so we've got 3 different dressings that we put on this. This is South of the Border dressing.
Okay.
This is Dr. Jean's favorite, which is a honey mint, and this is my favorite, which is a yogurt and dill. So you can go to longlifecookbook.com. Pre-order, you're getting 20% off in the pre-order. When the books are delivered, the pre-order stops, and we start shipping, so get your 20% off.
I love it.
Right now.
As I wrap it up, you said this is from the heart, and it's good for the heart.
It's from the heart.
I love it.
And good for the
Thank
heart.
you so much. I love it.
You must be in TV.
Take it. It's yours. Thank you to Melissa's Produce for sponsoring this segment. For more information about the Long Life Era Longevity Cookbook, you can visit the website longlifecookbook.com. We'll be right back.